Hi, welcome to Detailing World's Back to Basics series. In this video, we're going to be looking at cleaning your glasswork. So yes, the next stage then in cleaning your car is to ensure all the glass is nice and clean. This is a relatively straightforward and easy process to follow. All you're going to need for this one is a dedicated glass cleaner. So in this one, we're going to be using Clearly Menthol from Dodo Juice and also a dedicated glass cloth. So we're going to be using the Mint Merkin. Cleaning the glasswork is something you can do at any stage once you've washed the car and it's all dry, so you can do it before polishing, you can do it after waxing, you can do it whenever you really want. We're putting it right in the middle for this series. So as I say, it's quite straightforward, it's no different really to clean the windows around your house. We'll go through the processes in a moment, but first of all I just want to say a big thank you to Dodo Juice for sponsoring this video, and all the products that you see me use in today's video, you've got a chance of winning yourself. So the products we're going to be using today are the Dodo Juice Clearly Menthol Glass Cleaner and the Dodo Juice Mint Merkin Glass Cloth. To win these products, watch to the end of the video and I'll let you know what you have to do to win these. So onto the process then. As I say, it's quite a straightforward one, and this one will only take you 1 or 2 minutes to whip around the car and make sure the glass is nice and clean, giving you perfect visibility for when you're driving. So I like to start with the windscreen, and first of all get your glass cloth and fold it into quarters, so fold it in half and then half again. Then with your glass cleaner, spray a couple of spritz of that over the windscreen and work that in with the glass cloth, and you should notice that it starts evaporating. If it doesn't, flip the cloth over and use the dry side and just buff off any remaining product maybe on there, and then go around to the other half of the windscreen and repeat the process. When cleaning the windows, it's a good idea to typically go in one direction, so it's either up and down or left to right, and we'll get onto the reasons for that in just a moment. So with the windscreen all nice and clear, just work your way around the car, do these side windows, onto the rear window, and then onto the other side windows. If the cloth at any point feels oversaturated with product, just fold it again until you get a nice clean side. So with all the outside of the glass now clean, we need to clean the inside of the glass. If you've got window tints, some tint film can be a bit sensitive to glass cleaners, in which case you may want to use a fresh cloth and just some spritzes of water. However, this product is safe to use on window tints. What I typically try to do at this stage, your cloth may be quite damp with product anyway. You shouldn't really need to apply much to the inside of your windows, and generally the inside of the windows are much cleaner than the outside, unless you've got kids or pets that may rub their nose and hands all over the glasswork. But with the dampened cloth, just wipe that over the inside of the side windows. And if you've finished the outside of the windows in an up and down pattern, finish the inside of the windows in a left to right pattern. And the reason for this is to spot any smears, so should you get any smearing from the glass product that you're using, you can see by the direction of the smear if it's on the inside of the glass or on the outside of the glass. It's worth mentioning that the Dodo Juice Clearly Menthol doesn't smear at all, so it's a great product to go out there and buy. Also, it's worth mentioning that a good quality glass microfiber towel makes all the difference to this process as well. So at this stage you can choose to apply a glass sealant if you wish, however I'll be doing that in the next video. Again, a big thank you to Dodo Juice for sponsoring this video. If you'd like to try and win the products that I've used today, just leave a comment below saying Clearly Menthol and I'll pick a random winner at the end of the series. So if you've enjoyed this video, please make sure you smash that like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel already, please do consider subscribing as well. You can check out the previous videos up here. Also make sure you check the future videos to see if you're a winner. And we'll see you in the next one.